Hey guys, I'm in here at Yarabend Park, and it's a nice place here. I've been here just passing by for quite some time, and it's just my first time to finally, just as you're recording, you see a plane up there. Okay, I don't know if you can hear the plane, but I can hear it so loud. Anyway, yeah, I'm here at Yarabend Park, and yeah, I just noticed to this row of trees. Like we've been passing this part of the park, but I haven't stopped. It's my first time to be here after a few years. And yeah, this is a nice. I just want to show you that. But anyway, I'm just here to tell you guys that I want to just go back and film again because it's been lazy. It's been a long 2 years with COVID and everything else. And right now everything's a bit easing, but it's not. We're not yet there. Tomorrow's my birthday, so I'm wearing red. Actually, I don't have anything to wear, so I'm wearing red. I just took this out there. But yeah, uh, I'm looking forward to seeing more videos soon, and I don't know what to. I have some ideas, but I hope I can get it done. I always come back with a video saying, "Hey, I'm back," and everything else. But I hope I'm really back this time. Trying to get more videos on. I can't see myself. I'm just pretending I can see what I'm doing, and I know I'm in frame and everything else. Also, I've gained weight, so if you can definitely see my tummy, just don't say anything about it. Anyway, I'll show you the place.